So now I'm going to show you how to enter the triplet in, and also how to beam the notes so that they all look connected. The eighth notes will automatically give you the double beam for each beat that they're on, but if you wanted all of them to be beamed like we have in the bass clef here, there's just one hotkey that you have to press. So first let's do the triplet. What I'm going to do is I have eighth note triplets here. So the reason I'm saying they're eighth note triplets is because they have this beam, just like the normal eighth notes would have. It doesn't have a double beam like 16th notes, and it doesn't have just a regular stem like the quarter notes. It actually has the eighth note beam. So I'll select an eighth note, and then I'm going to select the tuplet tool, which turns it into the triplet. So I'll put my notes. Oh, it didn't work. Interesting. Oh, because I don't have it selected. So there's the lesson to be learned. Make sure that you actually select the tool. Select it and you'll see the little triplet sign next to the note, and as you put them in, don't worry about the rest, just go right over them, and there you go. Now, in order to put the beams together for the eighth notes, I'm going to just use the text tool for a second to show you the key that you have to hit. You have to hit that. You have to hit a backslash while you're on a note, which is where the question mark is, if you hit shift question mark. So we're going to have to hit that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the eighth note. I'm going to go to the one that's after the beam, so where I want it to connect to. I want this one to connect to this one, so I'm going to start on this one. I'm going to hit that backslash button, and there it is. Go to the C, backslash button, there it is. Now the same thing to undo it. I could also undo in between the specific eighth notes, which most vocal music will end up doing. But in this case we do instrumental music, so that's just another thing that you could do as well. But since my version looks like this, try and make it to the best of your ability. And so those are the ways to put in the triplet and to make sure that the beaming happens.